everyone, how are we all today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And today we are going to pick the winner for July's giveaway. I'm just going to adjust my camera a minute. There we go. Looked like it was going over there. So just to refresh your memory what the prizes were, you get 3 of these Cabaret. It's a DK from Stylecraft, and there is actually a pattern on the inside of the label. It's 98% acrylic, premium acrylic, and 2% polyester, and there's 251 yards, and you've got 3 of them, so that's 250, 500, 753 yards. You get a little bag of stitch markers. You get a notions bag with some crochet hooks, a pen, and you also get a book as well, an exercise book which has got stickers in. So that's all you're going to get with the yarn and some stitch markers. So that is your prize. And I want to thank each and every one of you. I think the last time I looked, I had about over 800 comments. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn you around to the computer and let's pick a winner. I have put the URL in, filtered for duplicate users, filtered the comment, put the word in, which was Cabaret. Let's see how many we've got. 393. So let's pick a winner, and good luck everybody. Good luck. Woohoo! Wendy Stanbury. Let's see if she is subscribed to my channel. There I am. There I am. She is actually subscribed to my channel. So congratulations, Wendy. And she puts Cabaret. Ooh, what a lovely giveaway. Good luck, enjoy everyone, and thank you, Linda. I already know what I'd make with the Cabaret yarn. Congratulations, Wendy. Congratulations, Wendy. If you email me at this address here, I will get your prize out to you. Congratulations, congratulations. I did pick a couple of winners before Wendy won, but unfortunately I couldn't see if you were subscribed to me. So in future, in the giveaways, I'm going to have a paragraph in the description box where the rules are for entering the challenge, for you to ensure that I can see if you are subscribed to my channel. But well done, Wendy, and thank you all so much for not only subscribing to my channel, but watching my videos, leaving me lovely comments. And don't forget to come back on the first Tuesday of August, which I do believe is the 3rd, because the 1st of August is on Sunday. So yeah, so the 3rd. So if you come back on the 3rd, I'll have a brand new giveaway for August. In the meantime, everybody, thank you so much for being part of my family, YouTube family. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. Bye for now.